Hey guys, welcome back to Technopedia. It's Sanket here again. In the previous lesson 4, we've discussed about character formatting, under which we have covered various tags having their own functions. In this lesson 5 of HTML, we're going to discuss about how to define list and what are the various type of list which you can create. So let's begin with the lesson 5. There are 3 types of list. First is order list, second is unordered list, and the third one is definition list. So let's start with the order list. So let's do code for it. We can create an order list with the help of OL tag, that is the paired tag, which comes under the body element. Under OL tag there is also LI tag, which stands for list item. All the items that is placed under LI tag should be displayed as a list. So the first item named as India, LI is also the paired tag. The second item name as suppose USA, third let's take Japan, and the fourth one let's take France. So these 4 are the items of a list. Let's save it on a desktop. Give the file name, let's lesson 5.html. Save it on desktop. So here you can see the file. Let's open it. So guys, here you can see the list, that is an ordered list, or we can say sequential list. 1 2 3 4 as the number you can see. Now let's talk about the attribute of ordered list. So the basic attribute of ordered list is type. Type attribute sets the value for which type of order list you want to have or you want to show in a web page. So the values can be we can say 1 2 3 4 as you can see over here, or it can be Roman number, it can be ABCD. Let's take an example. Let's copy all this and paste it over here. Let's take type, which is an attribute, and the value is capital I, that is the Roman number. Save it and refresh it. So here you can see the result comes in the form of Roman numbers. Or you can take the value of type attribute as alphabets. Let's copy this and again paste it over here. Again give the value of type, suppose small I. Save it refresh it. So here you can see the result comes is in the form of small Roman numbers. So we can try another value for the type attribute. Let's copy it again and paste it. This time I will take alphabets. Let's take capital A, save it and refresh it. So here you can see the result appears in the form of capital alphabets. Let's again paste it and this time take the value of type attribute as small alphabets. Let's save it and refresh it. So here you can see guys, the result appears in the small alphabets. So this is the ordered list. Now let's talk about the second list, that is unordered list. So unordered list can be created with the help of UL tag, that is again the paired tag. The item of list should be placed between the list item tag, that is li tag, that is again paired tag. So this time let's take the element, suppose Russia, let's take Zimbabwe, China, and last one is, let's suppose New York. Close the li tag, save it and refresh the result. So here you can see guys, the list appears, which is the unordered list, that is there is no indication. Now this type of list again is having the type attribute, that is take different value. Let's copy this over here and give the value of type disk, save it and refresh the output. So here you can see it is quite similar to the default unordered list. Now let's again copy all this and this time give the value of type square, save it, refresh it. So guys, here you can see the output. These circles become square. Now let's again paste it over here and this time give the value of type. circle, save it again and see the result. So guys, here you can see it appears as a circle. So it's all about unordered list. Now let's talk about the third list, that is definition list. So definition list is a type of list that is different from the ordered list and unordered list. We can say definition list is created with the help of DL tag, that is again the pair tag. Now this time each item should be specified as the terms falling under DT tag, that stands for definition term, which is again the pair tag. So let's take a term HTML. After it we use the DT tag, that is definition description. Here we can define our term. Let's give it hypertext, markup language. DD is again the pair tag. Let's close it. And refresh it. After save it. So here you can see this type of list is known as definition list. All these three type of list comes under the body tag. Well, that's all for today. If you guys find this stuff is helpful for you, then give thumbs up to this video, ask question in the comment section down below, and don't forget to subscribe the channel for upcoming lessons. Bye for now. Hope we'll meet again with the new lesson. Keep learning and keep practicing.